Foundation of Tenochtitlan by Luis Ramirez Ciarte. The MVP I chose was the Foundation of Tenochtitlan from the Codex Mendoza. The Codex Mendoza was created around 1542 and was commissioned by Antonio de Mendoza, the first Viceroy of Mexico, between 1535 and 1550. It was created just 20 years after the conquest of Mexico by Spanish forces and their allies, meaning that the creators were able to provide information about the pre-conquest Aztec Empire. De Mendoza meant the Codex to be a gift for Emperor Charles V. It was painted on European paper and bound in European style, but the pictures were drawn and painted by Aztec scrolls and translated by a Spanish priest who spoke Nahuatl. The painting depicts the foundation of the Aztec capital city, Tenochtitlan. The square with the X depicts how the canals of Tenochtitlan were divided into 4 quarters, or the 4 cardinal directions. Tenochtitlan was an Altepetl, or a Nahuatl city-state. These 4 corners represent the Tlaxcali of Tenochtitlan. Each individual probably represents a noble. In the middle is the eagle perched on the cactus, which is what the Aztecs were promised they would see and told they should build their capital. Below there is a conquest scene where the Aztecs conquered 2 neighboring cities. Also on top, André Thevet's name is included after the Codex Mendoza was taken by French pirates. The meaning embedded into this artwork was to show the history of a pre-conquered Tenochtitlan. The function of this painting, symbolically for the culture that produced it, was a reminder of its recent and past history before the Spanish came. The artist brought the innovation of putting an Aztec historical book in Nahuatl to Spanish. Conclusion: the Mexican flag. The idea of the Foundation of Tenochtitlan has transcended to become a symbol of a nation, Mexico. We can see this symbol nationally throughout Mexico as it is represented on the Mexican flag. This symbol can be seen in many places around the world when the Mexican flag is flying at full staff. The eagle perched on a prickly pear cactus represents the location of the Foundation of Tenochtitlan. Works cited page. Codex Mendoza 2. Description of Codex Mendoza. The Essential Codex Mendoza, edited by Francis F. Bourdon and Patricia Reef. Anna Walt Berkeley, University of California Press, 1997. Handbook to Life in the Aztec World, Manuel Aguilar Moreno, New York, 2006. The Aztecs, Richard F. Townsend, Thames and Hudson, London, 2000. And here I have my 3 Google Works Cited pages and the links to them. Thank you for listening to my video. Hope you liked it.